Whoa! Okay, there we go. Hello guys, Zachariah back to the video. Today we are playing with Zoe on Slither.io, and we're just taking turns. We're not on like separate computers. Hi, cat. Oh, they're gonna photobomb. Okay, but last time I played with Zoe was like 6 months ago, so it's the first time in a while. So what happens is every time we die, we just pass it down to the other person.
And I'm forever on this.
Okay, well. Oh! No! How did I not?
I've never played this.
You're
before,
not
so.
in the. You've never played Slither.io.
No.
Okay, well you're not in the face.
People.
You're not in the face cam, so.
Oh, dang it.
There's new skins. Nice. He's gonna come around here, I betcha. Oh, he's gonna come circling around at me.
What's the
Woo!
glowing orb? I mean,
Get him! Ooh,
Power.
that was close. I'm not good on laptop. I'm bad on laptop. Oh, he's gonna go. Oh no! One of these people are gonna die.
Or
Oh,
you.
No! It's so glitchy! It's so glitchy! How does that... Okay. Zoe is bad.
No. Let me type my name. Let me type my name. Stop it.
Noob. Enter. You're a noob.
Dang it.
What'd you do? What did you do?
Well, sorry.
What did you do? Now we gotta restart all over again.
But you wrote my name as noob.
Good job.
So I could do.
Well, it didn't say noob. It said neob. Okay?
What is a neob?
I don't know what a neob is. Okay? I don't know what a neob is. Show me some respect. You're gonna see it on the video. Ow! Ah! Just stop it! Stop it! We spent 2 minutes of nothing. Well, technically 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but okay. Let's go. Noob!
Stop.
Get in the game right now. You can't do. You put it out of the game again.
All I hit was backspace.
Ah! No! No! I can tell you're not that good at the game. Okay, let's go.
I don't play on computer to start with.
I can tell. D.
Can I write my name?
Yeah, I'll get a
Thank
piece of paper.
you.
I'll get a piece of paper.
Really?
Here you go. Just threw my.
It's a 5K number.
Yeah, write on it. I'll look. I wrote on it.
What I meant was, can I write the nickname on this?
Hello. It's not in the. Okay, type in your name. You're gonna do horrible.
Thanks for the confidence in me. How do I play?
I don't know.
Hey!
I have no idea. I'm blocking your way. Kill Slovakla Nias. Okay, my turn. Slovakla Nias killed you. You were slain by Slovakla Nias.
What kind of name is that?
Slovak. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Now you did.
Now I did it. Oh yeah. Oh. I did do it. And I'm proud about that. Let's go. Into Slither.io again.
Why am I never
Again, like the third time again, and 2 times from you. Isn't that right? Oh, shoot, now it's on the other side. A web page is slowing down your browser.
What would you like to do?
Browser. What would you like to do?
It says browser.
I would like to rage my head off now. I am so happy today. Oh, wait, it's working.
You are getting so loud.
There's something in those headphones.
Huh?
D-E.
I know, I don't
Okay. I'm from Iran. It's true. You're not in the face cam. Get in the face cam.
Thank you. I'm yellow. There you go.
Okay. Oh, let me go but Aye!
Why do you do that?
Because I don't want you bunnying me. Isn't it obvious? Okay. What? I'm uploading it, you know, right?
I know.
Glitchy!
Okay.
It's gonna kill. Oh my gosh. What was that? Jinx, you owe me a soda. Okay.
No, I don't.
Killed it! Ooh, that was close. For a glitchy computer, I'm doing good. What?
No, but
My first kill in ages. Larazario@gmail.com. No! I was looking at the Gmail sign and I messed up. Okay, you're done. Go. I'm from Iraq. Okay, now you go. And you better not push anything that makes it turn off. And you're dead. But
dang it. How do I move?
what?
How do I move?
That's a question that will be answered in a million years. Okay, let's keep going. Subscribe to me or I'll go there. I can't do anymore. Subscribe. Wait, no, wait. I'm Blobby. Wait. Blobby. Bleh. Okay, let's go.
That's touchscreen.
What?
You have a touchscreen?
Yeah, I think so.
No.
No clue. Oh, shoot!
I think so.
Oh, wait, Mike. Let's go. Mandroki Bright. Oh, shoot. I don't want to go on internet browser. Let's get off of internet browser. Thank you.
You can just leave them like me.
You're okay. Well, guess what? I'm going to do something. My final length was not actually 20. Wait.
Really? You're
Inspect.
gonna inspect?
Yes, I will. If I can. I don't know if I can or not.
It's not gonna let you.
Come on.
You've gotta highlight it. You were at first.
Okay. How to win?
On what?
I don't know. 6 ways to make. Okay, that's not something we should look at right now.
Because.
What in the world? I typed in how to win, and I got something really different. Okay. Okay. People also ask. Wait, here we go. People also ask. I'll put it over here. How do you win people your way of thinking? How do I win in life? Let's look at that one. Here we go. 9 killer tips to become a winner in life. Set up specific goals. You need to know what you are going with. You need to learn to take responsibility for your actions. Form a winning habit.
Don't be afraid to
fail. Be eager to learn every day. Take risks. Stay focused.
No one's eager to learn every day.
I know. Or visit whatever that says .com every day.
How do you win a paper?
How do you win a paper? Yes. Play scissors or rock in the first round.
Oh.
How do you become a winner in everything? Define what it means to win in life. Do a preparation. Okay, let's do something else. Okay.
Do you want to do Roblox or
No.
Mario?
How to jump a car. Let's see. What order do you want to put on jumper cables on? When do you jump a car? Okay. When jumping a car, what order do you take of jumping cable? Okay, I have no idea what that is.
It's like when you...
Okay, we're just going to look up how to jump.
Jumping cars is?
We're just going to how to jump. How do you jump higher? Bend your hips and knees. Okay, wait. Let me actually do that.
I grab a barbell.
Oh, wait, shoot. Bend your hips and knees. Grab a barbell using an overhand grip. I don't think I have a barbell. How do you dunk?
Use headphones.
Leap your plant foot. I have no idea what a plant. Opposite your shooting hand. Extend your arm and rim and drive the ball through the net.
Oh,
Dunk.
that's for soccer.
Oh.
We did that in practice on Saturday.
Okay.
If you were there, you would have done it.
Wait. There was practice on Saturday?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
It was like last minute.
Okay. How to
Fly.
become
A teacher in Florida. That's very specific.
how to sleep in a tree. How to sleep in a tree. How to comfortably sleep in a tree. I spent the night in a tree and it was a huge mistake. Can a man sleep in a tree?
No one in the face can anymore. Dang it.
How to sleep on your bed. Try sleeping on your back or your
Oh,
side.
look at the dog.
Oh. If you sleep on your back, put pillows under your knees for support. If you sleep on your side, put a pillow between your knees for your spine and pull your knees slightly to your chest. Like this? I don't think I can sleep. Oh, shoot. I don't think I can sleep like that. Okay, let's look at something else. How to... What was that? Oh, Haribo plate. Is there gummies in there?
No.
Okay, how to become a gummy bear.
It's probably gonna bring up the song.
I am your gummy bear. Okay.
Yeah.
Gummy bears. What makes a gummy bear expand? We were just doing that a second ago. When gummy bears are in water, water molecules, the solvent, move into the bear by means of opimyosis. Ow! Then gelatin makes the gummy bear act more like a sponge. And okay, wait. Are gummy bears made of pig hooves?
What?
Gelatin is from an animal. I'm not eating gummy bears again. Ow! That is gross. Gelatin's made out of animals.
Yeah.
Okay, final question. How to say goodbye to your fans on a YouTube video. Did I spell all of that?
Just say bye.
What? Wait. How to say bye. Casual goodbyes. Bye-bye is the most common way to say bye-bye. Later is a cool way. Okay. So later, guys.
There's 2 minutes left.
Okay, so the third result is later. Later. So let me say it. Later, guys. I will see you in the next one. Later.
See you later.
Later,
So long.
all the haters. Goodbye.